What's up, everyone? Back for more great. In this moment, 215 minus 215, which equals 0, times 215 minus 215 equals 0. Now we have this problem, 0 times 0, which equals 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, we must do the multiplication and division, then do adding and subtraction. So first we do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this multiplication, 215 times 215 equals 46,225. So we have 215 minus 46,225 minus 215, and we have two subtractions. According to the order of operations, we do this subtraction, then this subtraction. So 215 minus 46,225, which equals minus 46,010. So we have minus 46,010 minus 215, which equals minus 46,225. And this is our final answer for this problem. Hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed this.